All right, so let's take a look here about the coherence between sentences and paragraphs. The flow of words and the connectedness of ideas should be clear between sentences and paragraphs, and between paragraphs themselves. So we want to make the sentences flow from one sentence to the next. We want to use transition words. We want to make sure that the evidence is supported with detail. Maybe you've got an idea, detail 1, detail 2, idea 2, detail 1, detail 2, etc., depending on how the paper comes about. Between the sentences and the paragraphs. So yeah, I mean, if you have a topic sentence that makes, it's a beautiful topic sentence, and then the rest of the paragraph doesn't make any sense, it's not related to it, and you're just filling up space, that's not being very coherent. And the paragraphs themselves should also have a sense of coherence, because in your thesis statement, you're going to lay out what it is you're going to talk about, and then after that, your paragraphs should all follow a sequence following what the thesis statement says. Now, I'm going to break this down for you in section 5 when we talk about how to write the paper. However, if you've got, say you're doing a compare and contrast, you got some comparisons, some contrasts, and then maybe you're supposed to have a 5-page paper and you got 4 pages, so you're like, yeah, I'm going to throw in a sentence, a paragraph about my opinion. That's not really being coherent with what's going on with the purpose of your thesis. Unless that's fed into part of your thesis is part of the stuff that you say you're going to explain, that shouldn't be in there. So the first sentence in the paragraph is the topic sentence, and this should convey the main idea of the paragraph, and the subsequent sentences should support it. So topic sentence, ideas, next paragraph. Topic sentence, ideas, next paragraph. This has to be repeated over and over, because once, like I said, if things are laid out nice and clear and people can read that topic sentence, we should know exactly where we're going in that paragraph. So the sequence of paragraphs should flow as well. This section will be covered in greater detail when we review how to write a composition.